Hello everyone, welcome to watch this video. Today we are learning approximation of trig function values. First, let's learn how to use our calculator to find the trig function's value. All right, the first one is sine 49 degrees, 12 minutes. So if you are having a TI 30XS or TI 8483, it has the features you can use. Oh, let me see. I download this calculator. It is free on my iPad. So what am I going to do? So we need to find the sine 49 and 12 minutes. Let's click. So let's make sure our calculator in the degree mode. How to check its mode? So here you see next to second, the mode, and then we click the cursor. So we highlight degree. So later we will learn radian. So if I have the degree highlighted and hit enter and click second mode, we will quit. It didn't quit. Let's click second mode again. Right now, I want to find sine 49 degree and 12 minutes. We click 49. And how to put the degree symbol? We click second APPS. Okay, you will see there is a degree. So this calculator is TI 8384. I will show you how to, I will let you know how to use TI 30XS to find the degree symbol. So we hit enter, this is degree. How about 12? 12 minutes, we click 12 and then hit second and then hit APPS. It says angle. Then move down the cursor. So hit enter, close the parentheses, hit enter. So this is my solution. If I only want to keep 6 decimal places, where is it? Okay, here, let me use the pen. So on my calculator, it gives me, I think it's, so I copy the question, the number down. So it's 0.756995057. If I only keep 6 decimal places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm having 0.756995 because after the 6 decimal places is 0, is less than or equal to less than 5. So I ignore all of them. So how about if you have the calculator TI 30 access? So first you click so you need to check your mode. If your mode is degree mode, that's perfect. So you click the same thing. So you click mode and then highlight the DEG. So DEG, that's a degree, short for degree. So TI 30XS. So first check your mode. Okay. Mode is a degree mode, DEG. And second, what should I do? I click sine, and then I need to click 49. How to input the symbol? I should click second, and then I need to click PRB. PRB on your calculator, that is the TI 30XS. And if you want to insert the minutes, you also click second and then PRB, and then highlight the minutes button. Highlight the minutes and hit enter. It will insert 49 degrees and 12 minutes. So for example, if you say, I don't want to input the minutes symbol, you can also do this. I know that sine 49 degree, 12 minutes, you can convert all of these into the degree. So do you remember that we have 49 and 12 minutes? I can separate the minutes and the degree, and then I only convert the minutes into the degree. I know that convert the minutes to degree. I will divide the 12 by 60. Then I'm having sine 49 degrees plus, so by the computation, I got 0.5 degrees. Then I'm having sine 49 degrees. Sorry. So put point, oh, no, not 5. I make a mistake. That's 0.2 degrees. So 0.2, all of them degrees. Then I input this data in my calculator without input the minutes, but I prefer just input everything here without doing any other computation. So too much work if I do the steps. All right, let's clear the area here. And if you need to copy down the steps, please pause the video and start to write down your notes. And the second, number B, we need to find the second 97.977 degree. So you will find our calculator doesn't have secant. It has cosine, it has tangent, it has sine. So how to find the secant? I know that the reciprocal of secant is what? Oh, that's cosine. So cosine 97.977 degrees. So let's just use a calculator to find 1 divided by cosine. Cosine what? Let me go and find the number. So that's 97.977. Then let's close the parentheses. We're having this number, and we can put this number on our notes. So it's about negative 7.20587 something. If I only keep 6 digits, so the digit after 9 is 2. So the digit after 9 is 2 is too small, so I ignore that. How about next one? Make it bigger. So what is 1 over cotangent some number? 1 over cotangent, it is tangent. So I just want to find the tangent, 51.4283 degrees. So things will be very simple because our calculator has a tangent. It doesn't have a cotangent. So let's find what is the tangent. What is tangent? I'm not good at memorizing the numbers. So that is 51.4283. This is a degree mode. I don't need to change anything. Then I hit enter. So I got a value here. Let's bring the value here. It's about 1.2539481514. Then I keep keep 6 decimal places. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is too small. I ignore them. I'm having 1.253948. All right, how about the last one? Last one is an easy one. I don't need to do anything. I don't need to find its reciprocal. I don't need to get rid of the negative sign. So just put the data inside of the calculator. That's the sign. Sign is given on my calculator. And then click negative sign. Negative symbol is here. Look, it's between the dots and enter. So last row. This one, you see this one? Oh, let's do it again. Sign negative. We have 2, 4, 6. There's a degree mode. So you don't need to worry about adding a degree sign there because the calculator know that. Sign, parentheses, the input, they are all degree. Then hit enter. So I have this data. So put it in my notes. I'm having 0.9135454576. If I keep 6 decimal places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the digit after 5 is 4 is less than 5. So I'm having this value. How about the next part? Oh, it shows you the calculator information. Okay, how about this? Something related to what we have learned last semester. What is this? Inverse of f of x. That means we are looking for the inverse function of the f. How about this? Oh. This means inverse of sine of x. Okay, let me ask you this. If sine 30 degrees equals 1/2, how to convert it to its inverse function? We know that the sine here is the input. And then here is the output. We have learned the inverse function is inverse and swap the inverse and the swap the input and output. That means the inverse of sine. So inside here, it must be 1/2. Then the output is 30 degrees. Remember that all the inverse of trig function, they are all angles. They are all angles. All right. Let's see if I ask you this. If I ask you sine theta equals square root of 2/2. Okay, can you find what is the value of theta? Oh, I can convert it to the inverse function. So the inverse of sine square root of 3/2 equals theta. Then I can use my calculator, input inverse of sine square root of 3/2. Then I can find the theta. So the theta must be, oh, I changed the data. I shouldn't do this. This is 2. So I must have 45 degrees. Here. All right, let's move on to see example 2. Find the angle theta in the interval 0 to 90 degrees that satisfies each condition. Okay, it gave us sine theta equals a big number. Not a big number. That's a number have a lot of decimal places. So how to find theta? Theta is the inverse of sine 0.9677091. Let's pull out our calculator. So our calculator, how to find the inverse function? We click second, we click sine. So you will see, oh, this is inverse of sine. And put the number in it, 0.9677 0 9 1 0 9. So click delete if you insert the wrong number. So click this 915. Let me compare with my my notes. That's 0.967701 0915. Okay, hit enter. So this is a degree because the output of the inverse trig function is a degree, or sorry, is a angle, and this is in the degree mode, so this is a degree. All right, this is the angle. Let's put the number here. So I'm having 75.39999. Okay, not a good looking 9. 53444 degree. So they hope. So they gave us the data here. So if I keep 6 decimal places, I'm having these, and then stop here. The digit after 5 is too small. It's less than 5. Ignore them. I'm having 75.3999995. How about another one? Secant theta. Do we have secant button on our calculator? No, we do not. So how to find secant? I know that reciprocal of secant is cosine theta. So secant equals 1 over cosine theta. That is 1.05455829. So let's flip the left side and the right side at the same time. So rescue the cosine on the top. Then I'm having 1 over 1.05455829. So what I'm looking for? I'm looking for what is a theta. So I want to know the angle. It doesn't matter I find the angle here from the secant or from the cosine. I just want to find the theta. So the theta equals, so swap the theta and the value here. That means I'm having a inverse of cosine 1 over 1.05455829. Let's put this in our calculator. How should I do that? First, I click secant and then click cosine. In the cosine, I put 1 divided by, let me see, 1.0545829. Close the parentheses. And then I'm having this data. Luckily, I have the data here. I can put 8 point. Remember, these are all the degree. Don't forget the degree. 18.51470432. This is a degree, and then we keep 6 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So ignore these. I have 18.514704 degree. All right, we're done for this. How about the cotangent theta equals 1.73? So I'm looking for the theta, but we do not have cotangent on our calculator. What should I do? So I know that cotangent is 1 over tangent theta. So flip both sides. I'm having tangent theta equals 1 over 1.73. So how about theta? Theta is inverse of tangent theta. Inverse of tangent 1 over 1.73. Then I use my calculator because my calculator has the inverse of tangent. So click secant. So clear. So secant tangent 1 divided by 1.73. Close the parentheses. I'm having this angle. So put this on my notes. That's 30.029401761.15 degrees. If I keep 6 decimal places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Look at the 7th digit. It is 7. It's greater than or equal to 5. So I'm having 30.0294002 degrees. All right. Let's see next part. Oh, this question is a physics related question. Solving this question, you don't need to know how to solve how to figure out the relationship between F and W on the image. You just need to know how to use this formula, find the missing information. But I can show you here. If I have a car is driving uphill, for example, this is 30 degree. If I'm saying 30, I'm writing 60. So for example, it's 30 degrees. And this is a car. I just make it like a solid ball, and without drawing a beautiful picture. So the car has a weight. So it's going to this direction because all the weight is pointing to the center of the earth. So it's going down. And if I will assume that this slope doesn't have the friction, so this weight will separate the weight into this direction because it gives the pressure to the slope or pressure of the road, and also it separates to another direction is parallel to the slope, this direction. Okay, that means if the car can balance well, stay here. So this part we call the F. Okay, use different color. Let's say this is F. It comes from the weight of the car. And then I don't need to worry too much about the pressure on the slope, but I need to figure out the relationship between the F and the weight of the car, W. So this, so let me use this color. So this triangle and this one, they are similar triangles. That means all the corresponding angles, they are the same. Hopefully all know how to do this. That means, so this angle, let me use a color, maybe just this one. So this angle is 30 degrees. And this angle also 30 degrees. And this angle is 60. This angle is also 60. All right. If I pull out this image here. So I have this and this. So this is 90 degree. And then this is 30, this is 60, and this is W, this is F. Can you list the relationship between F and W and the theta? So let's see, what is sine 30 degrees? So sine 30 degrees is opposite over hypotenuse. What is the opposite of 30? That is the F. What is the hypotenuse? That's the W. And both sides multiplied by W. W times sine 30 equals F. So I got the relationship between F and W. Now, if I know my weight of the car, I know the angle of the slope. Can you find the grid resistance? So we call it the F grid resistance. I talk too much. I explained the physics part to you. Maybe you can skip this part, and maybe my in-person class, I may not talk too much about how to prove this formula and how to find the grid resistance. All right, let's use this formula to solve the question. One more thing, if the theta is greater than 0, that means the car is moving uphill. If the theta is negative, is moving downhill. All right, let's see. number 1 on this one, round to 4 decimal places. Find the grid resistance F for a car's weight is 2,500 pounds. Traveling an uphill, theta equals 2.5 degrees. Okay, it's very easy. F equals W times sine theta. So we're looking for the F. W is 2,500. How about sine theta? Sine 2.5 degrees. Then let's use our calculator to find the data. So we're having 2,500 times sine 2.5 degrees. So this is degree mode. I didn't change it. So hit enter. I'm having this amount of the force. So the force is about 109.0484684. So keep 4 decimal places. This one is 6. So I'm having 109.0485. The unit is pound. So if I have a tricky question, I say, so if I say, I'm putting this, maybe a star. If round to 10 pounds. So how to find the F? So 10 pounds means I need to keep my digits to here. So put more information here. So 10 pounds is here. So I will see the digit after 10 pounds is 9. So 9 is greater than or equal to 5. So I'm having 11 pounds. So if the tricky question says round to 10 pounds, so I'm having 110 pounds. This is a solution. But the question here is round to 4 decimal places. This is the solution. All right, let's see next one. Find the theta for 2,500 pounds car traveling a downhill. F equals negative 200. So if F is negative 200, the theta must be negative because we are moving downhills. And so list the formula here. F equals W times sine theta. So if the F is negative, and we assume we say that the weight is also positive. Positive number times negative can make a negative. So if the theta is negative, so sine is negative. The theta is a small number. Is between negative 90 degrees and less than 0 degrees. So this kind of angle will make the force negative. Okay, no more explanation, just plug in the information in the formula and then find the missing information. Now we have the gradient resistance. Here is negative 200. And W is 2,500, and I have sine theta. Looking for the theta, isolate the sine theta first. Divided by 2,500 both sides. Then I'm having my sine theta equals negative. Do the cancellation. 20. No, that's not enough. Let's do step by step. 0, 0 cancel. This is 0, 0 cancel. I'm having 2 over 250. Let's check if there is no mistake. I think there's no. Oh, I know where is my mistake. So both sides divided by 2,500. No mistake. 0, 0 cancel. Okay. Okay, we must have 2 divided by 25. And then let's find the theta. So the theta, use the inverse function property. So theta equals inverse of sine negative 2 over 25. And then use our calculator to find the angle theta. And then round to the 4 decimal places. Let me check if I have any mistake. No mistake. So let's go to the calculator. The inverse second sine and then negative 2 divided by 25. Is that correct? Yes. So let's hit enter. So that's negative 4.58856. Let's put this on the notes. So it's about negative 4.588565736 degrees. But I need to keep 4 decimal places. So the fifth is 6. So I'm having negative 4.5886 degrees. All right, let's see next one. Find the weight of the car. Given F is 2,500 pounds. Theta is 3 degrees. So list the formula. F equals W times sine theta. So F is 2500. W is unknown, and sine theta is sine 3 degrees. Then put all of these, isolate the W, we can divide it by sine 3 degrees, sine 3, that's sine 30. Then W is isolated. So it is 2500 over sine 3 degrees. Let's use our calculator to find it. 2500 divided by sine 3 degrees. I didn't put the degree symbol because the calculator knows this is a degree mode. All right, let's hit enter. Oh, that's a big number. So the car is super, super heavy. That's 47768.30 65232435 pound. But I keep 6 decimal places. Oh, 4, I think. I said 4. So I stop here. Then the digit after the 5 is too small. So I'm having 47768.3065. All right, we're done for today. If you have any question, please let me know. Email me or visit my office hour. Have a good one. See you next time. Bye.